AMC stock update. The squeeze is beginning. Okay guys, so here we are with another video. I apologize for a slight delay. I was having some issues here moving into my new place. So now we are with the really important update going on with AMC, guys. A lot of news out here. If you guys aren't familiar, this is Memorial Day weekend in the United States, and the latest movie release, Tom Cruise's sequel to the original Top Gun Maverick, is really getting rave reviews, guys. Okay, it's doing quite well in the box office, and that means good things for AMC. Okay, so obviously a lot of people spent the Memorial Day weekend going to see the Top Gun Maverick movie. So we're going to talk about how things are progressing with the squeeze, what I'm personally doing with my shares, and kind of how the rest of the week will play out. So if you guys enjoy my content, please be sure to smash the thumbs up button. And if you guys want to actually see my real-time trades and stock options in crypto, as well as my buy-ins and everything for AMC, my call options, my long shares, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon account. You can go to patreon.com/investortrip, guys, and subscribe. Monthly subscription, and you'll get all of the access to all of my trades and everything, as well as access to our private Discord chat, guys. So if you guys want to chat with each other in our Discord chat, be sure to sign up in that link in the description below. So so as we can see here, Adam Aron just made this tweet a couple of hours ago. So he said, "Press Now reporting Top Gun Maverick is the highest grossing Memorial Day weekend movie of all time, more than double the opening of the biggest ever Tom Cruise movie." Rotten Tomatoes, 96% out of 99% reviews. What do we say to the movie theaters are dead crowd? Okay guys, so obviously movie theaters are not dead. And what we're seeing now is we're just seeing a flipping, okay? So during the pandemic, people were obviously under lockdowns. They had very few alternatives when it came to entertainment. So things like Netflix, Roku, right? All of these, Disney Plus, all of these streaming options were basically the default option. But now that the things have reopened, people are realizing, hey, I still miss going to the movie theaters. So this was a really excellent arbitrage opportunity. Now what we're banking on is we're banking on a continuous recovery and a resurgence in AMC now that Ape Nation is behind it, now that people are aware of what the short sellers are doing, trying to bankrupt a company that's been around for literally 100 years. So this is what's going on. So let's take a look at some of the box office numbers for Top Gun Maverick. So as you can see here, I'm over on Box Office Mojo. That's right, IMDb Pro. And we can see here that Top Gun Maverick has absolutely crushed it, guys, okay? For the Memorial Day weekend, the overall gross is over $212 million, with the biggest Memorial Day weekend ever. And the great news is that AMC has a lot of more movies coming out later this year, okay? They have another Jurassic World movie coming out. They also have Avatar 2, and also another the sequel to Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. So this is just the beginning, guys. This isn't going to be this isn't going to be the biggest movie release for AMC. There's some really exciting films coming out towards the end of the year, and this is one of the reasons why I really think that AMC is not only a fantastic squeeze play, but could even potentially be a fantastic long-term hold if these trends continue. So let's go ahead and head over to the charts here, and let's take a look at what's basically going on from a technical standpoint in terms of the squeeze. So we all know that the squeeze is going to happen because the short sellers are going to have to buy back the shares that they borrowed and dumped onto the market. So as we can see here, I mentioned to you guys, I posted my article on Seeking Alpha, and I also started posting about AMC was a fantastic stock to buy. That was around, I believe that the squeeze was going to happen. It was going to start taking place right around May 18th to May 19th. I actually published that article, and I'm going to link to it in the description below if you guys want to read my complete thesis. That article's gotten over 200 comments now. But basically, I said that things were going to start getting pretty exciting on May 18th. So I wasn't exactly sure when, okay? These things take time to play out, but I was taking a look at the previous volume here, and I was noticing some similar trends. So As you can see here, we take a look here, we see a lot of red volume here, and then we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 green days in a row. That was AMC's latest spike to $10, and then it crashed back down here. So as you can see here, we kind of see a similar volume trend as we see here, and now so far we've had 3 green days in a row. Okay, so the last time when AMC basically ran up, it had about 10 green days in a row, and then it started to come back down. So we're on the 3rd green day. So since this is such great news, I expect AMC to have a strong opening on Tuesday's market, so this could be the 4th green day in a row. Now, what I'm personally doing, I still have my long position in my IRA, and that I'm also holding call options that are expiring at the end of this week. Okay, so my call options are expiring, I believe it's on June 3rd at a strike price of $30. If AMC has around 4 green days in a row, it is possible that the price could, we'll see what happens, guys, but I might have to roll those back. But so far, those are basically almost break even. So, according to this, we saw 10 green days in a row. It looks like the last time the run-up lasted about 2 weeks. So if that trend were to continue and we were to add, that means that AMC could squeeze up. Probably, if we say around 10 trading days, and Tuesday would be the 4th. So Tuesday would be the 4th, Wednesday would be the 5th green day, Thursday would be the 6th, Friday would be the 7th green day, and that would carry over potentially into next week. So if we kind of do, we could say that the squeeze could really pick up, probably more so heading towards next week, maybe sometime around like June 10th or something like that. So that seems to be like a little bit of a date that I've kind of got in my mind. But like I said, now either way, I should be doing well. I'm still holding my call options, and I am still holding my long share. So I might actually open another call option expiring on June 10th, because I think that could be an interesting time for the squeeze. Okay, to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, so here we are at the options change. We have June 3rd and June 10th and June 17th. So, based on historical trends, it looks like the spike of AMC could happen closer towards June 10th. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably still hold my June 3rd calls, because I think this week's going to be epic. But I'll probably also open some calls on June 10th as well. So this seems like this is going to be around the hot spot. It's summertime. The weather's warming up. A lot of people are going to the movie theaters. This looks like an exciting time to hold on to AMC. So far so good, guys. It's about time to wrap this video up. I'm going to continue giving you guys some updates on the squeeze. To close things out, let's take a look at the overall short interest in shares on loan. Okay, so currently the short interest is around 22% of the free float, and there are about 174 million shares on loan. Days to cover is heading towards 4 days, guys. So it looks like there are even more and more shares being borrowed, which kind of seems pretty crazy to believe, considering all of the good press and all of the good news surrounding AMC. So guys, the squeeze should be epic. The more shares that are on loan, the higher the short interest, the more the squeeze is going to crush the shorts and send this stock to the moon. So that's all I got until now, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy my AMC updates. And if you guys want to see my real-time trades of stock, options, and crypto and support this channel, be sure to subscribe to my Discord, link in the description below. Be sure to check that out. So that's all I got until now, guys. Take care.